Hi, this is a video on how to remove the navigation unit from an LS460 or LS600 for repair or for conversion from Japanese to English by us at Car Audio Workshop. You can visit our website at www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz. We'll get started. I've pre-removed everything here to make it easy and short for the video. There's a wee trim panel just down here. You need to carefully, quickly pop that piece up. You can undo the gear shift knob, and you can move this shift lock down and move it out of gear into about middle position. You can pop these side panels off. Use a nice flat tool. Pop these off. They come off at the front first and then they click forward. You can see how that they click forward there. Same with the side. Pull it out that side, push it forward. Then you can take this and you can lift it up. Actually, you can't first. First you have to undo two screws on the side here. On the Japanese one, they're on the right hand side. You can use a Phillips or you can use a 10mm. You undo these two screws on the side and then you can lift this up out of the way. This is long enough you can actually just sit it on the passenger seat. Once you got that part out, you can take this ashtray piece out. It just lifts out like that. You can unplug it, there's one plug there. This gets a little bit harder now. There's two bolts up on the side here that hold this in. They're on a bit of an angle, so you need a 10mm each side, and then you can get this and you can kind of wiggle it. Again, if you can get your tool in there, you can get in between there, carefully pop it out, pull at the same time. Like that. Then you can unplug this unit. Again, I've already unplugged this one, so we're ready to go. And there are two 10mm bolts again up underneath there, one that side there. So you don't have to get in through the top. The best thing, get in right behind, get with your hands and just give it a good tug, pull forward. Once you get that out, you can unplug everything there and send that to us for repair. Or if you're doing conversion, you need a Torx T10 driver. You can undo two little screws and take the little flap that's off the back that's covering the hard drive. You reach in behind and there's a little plastic flap. Tug on that and the hard drive just slides right out in your hands. So you can take that out, send that to us for conversion, and we can send that back to you and that'll convert it all for you. If you need any more questions or have any more questions, come and send us, drop us a line or an email at www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz.